A warm atmosphere, good food, and friendly staff will greet you at Benny's Cafe in Greenfield. This family-owned cafe has a devoted following that keeps the kitchen busy all day. Opening at 6 a.m. every morning, Benny's serves breakfast all day. The menu is complete, offering everything from homemade soup to taco salads and so much more. Come on Friday and check out their fabulous fish fry. No time to sit and eat? Get your dinner through the convenient drive-thru. Benny's Cafe has a fully stocked bar with flat-screen TVs, a great place to catch the big game. They also have a banquet room that sits 80 people and even has its own entrance. So if you're looking for something tasty with generous portions, Benny's Cafe is the place for you.